Hi and welcome to ProtoMake. Today we're going to make a simple wooden sign using Vectric Cut 2D. So we'll start a new drawing and we'll go 8 inches in width, 3.5 inches in height. That's the dimensions of my material. The thickness will be 1/4 inch. And let's start by drawing a rectangle. At the moment we don't care where it's going to place it. We do want a radius on it, 0.3, that looks good. 7 inches wide, let's make it 2 inches tall. We'll hit create, and that's pretty good. So now to center it, I'm going to double click on the line. I'll grab the center point, I'll snap it to the center, and now we need to put some text in there. So we'll just write in ProtoMake, Helvetica one line. Okay, so we'll just plop it in the center here. Actually, I think it's snapping to another part of the text, so there we go. Okay, let's switch to the toolpaths. Now we're going to do a profile for the lettering, and we're going to go to a cut depth of maybe 0.09, and let's use let's see, we could V-carve this, but today I think we'll just use a ball nose. We want it to machine the vector on the line, and we don't need any tabs, leads. We might need a ramp, and we'll call this text. Oh. Let me turn off upper caps. Calculate that, and let's see if it looks alright. Ooh, no, that's no good. So let's change that from a 1/4 inch ball nose to an 1/8 inch ball nose. Recalculate it. We're going to reset the preview that out. That looks a lot better. Although I think the depth is maybe too far now. So we're going to edit that again. If we're using an 1/8 inch, let's go maybe just 0.5, so we're not going in too deep. There we go. Now we're going to go and use profile again to cut the part out, and we'll go 2.5, and we'll switch this to an 1/8 inch. Let's see what we got. 1/8 inch plywood. This is actually going to be Poplar, but the feeds and speeds are close enough. We're going to go outside right so that it cuts to the outside of this line versus inside or on it. And we'll rename this outside route. This one we definitely want tabs so that it doesn't fall out. Let's go a little thicker. We're going to do 3D tabs, and let's do 4 tabs. Hit close. We're going to add leads, so it's going to lead in and lead back out. This will prevent marring when the z-axis is coming up and down. And we're going to add another ramp. because generally end mills don't like to plunge. And we're going to hit calculate. And we'll preview that out. So we have a tab here, here, and here, but the first tab actually got cut out by the lead in, lead out. So let's go back, edit tabs, and maybe move that first one a little further up. There, now we have 4 tabs. That's kind of boring, actually. How about we duplicate this text toolpath and then edit it, select the outside border, and we're going to cut to a depth of 0.04. And we'll put a nice rounded edge. Actually, I think maybe not go quite that deep. To reset and preview all the toolpaths again. Okay, that looks good. Let's save it. And now all we have to do is output the toolpaths. So we're going to select all the same tool, save that, text and edge op1, and then we'll do a manual tool change and do the outside route.